So after the Sungas came the Kanvas. Okay, now these two dynasty were very short-lived. Okay, they were not very long as the Mauryans. Okay, because the Maurya Empire was very big, and the Mauryans were able to keep it as one cohesive political unit. Okay, but the successive dynasties of the Mauryans were not able to sustain that political unity. Okay, so after the Sungas there came the Kanvas, and after the Kanvas there came somebody else. So on this page, as you can see on your screen, Sir R.G. Bhandarkar concluded from this that when the princes of the Sunga family became weak, the Kanvas usurped the whole power and ruled like the Peshwas in modern times, not uprooting the dynasty of their masters but reducing them to the character of nominal sovereigns. Okay, now why would this happen? Okay, they will not replace the kings, but they will replace the ministers where the real power lies. Okay, that is what RC Majumdar says that the Kanvas did. The Kanvas did not replace the descendants in the Sunga family. Okay, so they were given their nominal positions of a sovereign, but the rule was carried out by the Kanvas. Similar thing was also done by the Peshwas in the Maratha kingdom. Okay, they did not replace the descendants of the Bhosles and all those dynasties. They just simply replaced their ministers. That is where the real power lies. And you'll see that Maratha kingdom was the only kingdom that sought to politically unite the maximum geographical area of Bharat. Okay, no other empire sought to politically unite the entire empire. If you look at the Rajput kingdoms of Rajasthan, okay, nobody is questioning their bravery. That is not what I am doing here. Okay, their bravery is supreme. That is not what I am saying here. What I am saying is, why did not this come organically from Rajasthan or all those Rajput kingdoms? Okay, to politically united the maximum geography of Bharat. Why did that thought come from the Marathas, which were way farther than the Rajputs from the capital of Bharat during those times, that is Indraprasth, that we know as Delhi? Okay, so again, that is a very complicated discussion to be had. We are drifting apart, but yes, the Sungas were inevitably overthrown.